Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you how I make my GIZDODO. I'm using gizzard, plantain, tomatoes, bell pepper, the colored one, onions and pepper. These are the ingredients I'm using for today. First, you have to take out the seed of the bell pepper. Now we are moving on to slice the onions. Cut your bell pepper into small pieces. Wash the gizzard neatly. Give it a little rest. Add your chili pepper, onions, thyme, Maggi, curry powder and salt. Stir it together and leave it to cook. Add a little oil and start frying immediately. Once it has cooked a little bit, add your seasoning. After adding, stir it properly and take it out immediately. Use the same pan and the oil and fry your onions. I add my tomatoes, chili pepper. You don't have to put too much of the pepper. Once the gizzard is ready, you take it out. After taking out your gizzard, you can go ahead and start peeling your plantain. After peeling your plantain, cut your plantain into small dices. This is the finishing look. Once your tomatoes is cooked a little bit, you add your seasoning. Stir it properly and leave it to cook. Add your salt and give it a shake. It's time to fry the plantain. Take away the plantain once it's ready. I love my space to be clean. I'm washing the dishes. It's time to fry the gizzard. Once it's done, take it out. This is the finishing look. If it doesn't look like this, you are doing something wrong. Now it's time to mix everything together. Gradually add your plantain step by step so it can be easy for you to stir together. This is the finished look of GIZDODO. Please guys, you have to try this recipe. You are going to love it. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I love you all. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, comment, like and share. Stay tuned for more.